Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I just wanted y'all to see the one little okra I cut off today, and let you see what happened to my poor okra. Y'all, I do not know what happened to my okra. Look at the sun. I'm gonna have to water it. It's just crucifying my okra. And something's still eating it, look. Even though I sprayed it. So I don't know. Gangster. Insects and right here in Texas. And look at that. Ate it down to that. And I be spraying it. So I don't know, y'all. Look at that. Whatever that is, just ruined the whole plant. So I'm just taking it out of there and just let it be chop and drop for a tree. And look at this. I didn't even see this okra. And I'm gonna have to take it and take it off of here, cause look, there ain't but one little thing of leaf there. That's crazy. So anyway, I harvested that. So that make 2 for today. And the little plant that came from ain't gonna make it past another day. I don't know what's going on in Texas, y'all. Next year, I think I'm gonna move it from this side, cause look at that, after spraying it. I'm gonna move it from this side to the other side next year. This okra is trying to grow tall. Hopefully, nothing to eat it up like the other one. The leaves looking better, but that don't mean nothing, and they start producing yet. So we'll see, y'all. I don't know what is going on in Texas. I don't know what that is that's eating my leaves. I'm gonna spray it some more. I don't know, y'all. And look at that. What is that? I don't know. I don't know. I'm so happy for my bitter leaf, y'all. Whether it's pain or itching from a mosquito bite, a few leaves crumpled up and rubbing on there, and I'll be itch-free or pain-free.